Imagine cruising at 35,000 feet. The sky is clear, the ride is smooth. Suddenly, without warning, the nose of your plane pitches down. The aircraft enters a steep dive. This actually happened on October 30th, 2025, on a flight from Cancun, Mexico to Newark, USA. And the culprit wasn't a pilot error, and it wasn't a broken engine. The culprit was the sun. Today, we're investigating how a solar storm triggered one of the biggest aviation recalls in history, grounding 6,000 Airbus planes. Recently, Airbus issued an urgent directive to fix a technical fault in nearly 6,000 of its A320 family aircraft. This massive recall came after investigators looked into that terrifying JetBlue flight I just mentioned. They found that the plane's flight control computers had been compromised by something totally invisible: cosmic radiation. But how does a star 93 million miles away reach inside a metal plane and press the nose down button? To understand that, we have to look inside the machine. The specific component at the center of this crisis is the ELAC, the Elevator Aileron Computer. Think of the ELAC as the plane's cerebellum. In a fly-by-wire aircraft like the Airbus, the pilot doesn't directly move the wings with cables. Instead, when the pilot moves the stick, the ELAC interprets that signal and tells the elevators and ailerons how to move to keep the flight smooth. It is a critical piece of safety equipment. But investigators found that a specific version of the ELAC, ELAC-B software L104, had a vulnerability to high-energy particles. Here's the science part, and it's fascinating. The sun is constantly ejecting high-energy particles. When these particles, mostly protons, hit the Earth's atmosphere, they shatter air molecules, creating a shower of secondary particles called neutrons. These neutrons rain down on us all the time. On the ground, our thick atmosphere protects us. But at 35,000 feet, a plane is exposed to a much denser neutron flux. Occasionally, one of these high-speed neutrons will strike the silicon in a computer chip. When it hits, it deposits a tiny electrical charge. In the world of computing, everything is binary, ones and zeros. If that neutron hits a memory cell just right, it can physically change a 0 to a 1. This is called a single event upset, SEU, or a bit flip. On your laptop, a bit flip might just crash your browser. But on the JetBlue flight, this bit flip happened inside the ELAC's memory. It corrupted the data related to the plane's pitch, its angle up or down. The computer read the corrupted 1 as a command to dive, causing the uncommanded pitch down that injured passengers. It sounds terrifying, but aviation engineers are smart. This is why Airbus acted so fast. The fix isn't rebuilding the plane, it's usually a software update. By rewriting the code, engineers can make the system tolerant to these errors. They use techniques like triple modular redundancy, where 3 computers vote on an action. If one computer has a bit flip and says dive, the other 2 say stay steady, and the error is ignored. Airbus is currently updating the software across the entire fleet to ensure that even if the sun throws a neutron at the ELAC, the plane ignores it and keeps flying smooth. As we enter a period of higher solar activity, known as the solar maximum, these invisible threats are becoming more common. The JetBlue incident was a wake-up call, reminding us that even our most advanced technology is still at the mercy of the cosmos. Thankfully, with this new update, the A320s are safer than ever. What do you think? Does knowing about bit flips make you more nervous to fly or more impressed by the engineers who fix them? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the tech behind the headlines. Fly safe, and see you in the next one.